this hard to go and try to let you down. At first, for sure, we saw forever, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. I don't need you to take me home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blues. And even though your heart is breaking, I got another.
Si Cristel ang in charge sa Grab, while si Ja wala lang. Welcome to Cebu. The last time I'm here 2 years ago. Ngayon iba na naman yung kasama ko. I'm with Cristela and Ja. We're finally here. We're just waiting for the Grab to arrive. Kasi kailangan namin mag-check-in sa hotel and then we will proceed to dinner. We're here sa Cebu. So let me tour you around our room first. Welcome! Nabook lang namin to for around 1,000, good for 3 packs. So we have one single bed over there and double bed over here. Tipid guys, pero nasa sulok ng Cebu. Medyo lang pero. Okay, we're getting ready because we will be going to IT Park for dinner. Gutom na kami guys. Dito kami ngayon, Sugbo, Mercado.
What's that?
Sushi. Maghahanap kami ng dinner. So, dami ng choices. Parang mabango. Daming tao today. And naghahanap kami ngayon ng pwedeng kainan. Sobrang daming tao. Juice. Uy, ini. Garo masiram. Ano? Okay, mabana kita. Libot pa. Ito yung maganda dito guys sa Sugbo Mercado kasi sobrang daming pagpipilian. We're here in Sugbo. Standing ovation kami. Walang upuan. Okay, so hi guys. This ends our first day. So, let's go to Ja.
Okay, hello guys. So for the first day, actually it was my first time na sumakay ng airplane. And sad to say na for the first time na ma-experience ko ang sumakay sa airplane, ay nag-take 2 kami.
Yeah.
The boarding time is around 4, di ba?
Yeah.
Around 4 p.m. And nung pag-akyat namin doon sa bridge, pababa na kami. Pinabalik kami kasi merong red lightning alert. So, lahat kami bumalik sa pre-departure area. And naghintay kami ng at least mga 20 minutes before yung second boarding time. And luckily, thankfully, nairaos naman.
You tell?
Diretso.
Tell. Yes, diretso. Diretso to. Walang edit-edit. Okay, sa aming dakilang navigator.
Thank you, Tel.
Thank you, Tel, sa pag-compute. Sa pagpapautang ng mga pamasahe sa Grab. Anong masasabi sa ating first day?
First day, so far okay naman. Pero second trip ko na to sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Pero goods naman kahit malayo ang biyahe and
And look at guys, ang outfit ni Tel.
Oy,
Matutulog yan Pero
sexy pa.
pero swimming na.
I love it.
Wish ready, pero sleep muna.
Ito yung first day namin dito sa Cebu. So, ito yung aking 5th time to visit Cebu. We are so happy kasi ang ganda na accommodation namin. For only 1,000 pesos lang. Kaso, nasa sulok siya, guys. Hindi siya talaga along the national road. And bukod sa masarap na sisig yung kinain namin sa Sugbo Mercado. Ayan, nakapag-ayos na rin ako at naka-pop ng aking maraming pimples. So, ready for tomorrow. Fight na naman tayo.
Good morning
So,
tomorrow.
Yeah. So, for now, good night.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains.
Hi guys, welcome to Tagbilaran.
Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please
Let me
not
tour you
now.
around our room here at Moli Resort in Panglao. So, ito yung bath. Ito na yung ilaw niya. Look. Ang ganda ng mirror. Ang ganda ng sink. We also have this one and the shower. Yan. Laundry basket. Also, water. And look at our beds. The vibe is so giving. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Look. With the view of the pool. So ganda.
Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurt?
That's it for today. We are riding.
Granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just
Wait.
abandon us.
Hi! Dito kami ngayon sa
Don't leave, don't leave, no,
Yeah.
please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out.
Excuse me, kuya. Saan po pwede pumasok dito? Okay. Thank you so much.
Bawal pa sa mall, ma'am. Wala pang lasing.
Okay lang po.
Diyan lang po kami.
Daan kayo, street lang.
Yes. Say hi to our vlog, kuya.
Low.
Thank you.
I want
Echustero, mga vlogger. Ini mo mga vlogger. Yeah. Ito pala ang mod ko. Let me show you guys. Going here sa Muadto bilang kurikot traveler. Yes, tok-tok, tik-tik. Okay. Okay. For 1,200. Yes, good for whole day na siya. Hihintayin kami ng driver. Yes, tipid na yon guys. Kumpara sa sasakay-sakay ka from one place to another. Every ride, 250. Ano sa nagdila mo? Turista tayo for today's video.
Welcome to our mall, guys. It's close pa. Mga 10 pa po kami magbubukas.
Yeah. Next stop. Yes, Oceanica. Kakatuktok namin. Natuktok na yung mga buhok namin. Hublas, pati mga lipstick.
Wala na. 500 consumable. 500 consumable. So, walang entrance fee dito. But required. Ay, entrance fee 500. Pero consumable. So, ubusin mo na. For food. Not bad.
We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel when I write a song. That is, if you don't mind. I have been thinking of you all this time.
It's so mainit. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ang ganda-ganda ng init. Nakakapangitim.
Oh, can you use the table?
Yeah.
Trying too much, got the sickness. Pray to God and His Son for forgiveness. Same crew, but another mistress. Every day, every night, getting wasted. But I miss you. What did I do? Fuck it up, laugh it off, and I lost you. If I pull through, is it too soon?
Guys, fresh yung BGC. Fresh yung BGC dito, guys. Plain rice, 65. 10 pesos lang yan din. Albay. 65. For the view. Tinatanong kami ni Kuya kung mag-order kami ng drinks. Bakit wala daw kaming drinks? Sabi ko, later na Kuya. Pag-iisipan namin.
Kasi yung drinks, 290.
Yes. Kaya, fresh yung Mississippi Stay. Mississippi Stay, Oceanica, naka-level sila.
Bicol version.
Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito,
Bring a lot of money.
yeah.
Kung tipid kayo, walang kakain.
Walang kakain, pero walang makakapasok. Bawal pumasok. Finally, nandito na yung order namin. After how many hours?
Nasi goreng fried rice.
Nasi goreng fried rice.
Yeah, we ordered the same.
Yeah. Ang sarap-sarap, guys. Pero ang tagal-tagal niyang dumating.
Pero ang mahal-mahal niya.
Ang mahal-mahal. Presyong BGC.
Pero madami naman.
But the crispy pata, look.
And what do you call this?
I don't know.
Satay.
Chicken, I don't know. Ang sarap niya, guys. Pero ang tamis.
Tamis. Very yummy.
And look. Bugambilya. Nakalagay sa itlog. Edible siguro. Kaya from now on,
Pwedeng
kainin ang bulaklak ng bugambilya. Artemisa.
Awot.
No. This is what we call Artemisa. Hi. Outfit check. We are twins. We're here at Mosa Restaurant and Bar. So we are planning sana to order for our dinner. Kasi kanina pa kami inom ng juice for gas. But unfortunately, ang presyuhan dito sa Panglao, foreigner friendly. Yes. To give you an idea, guys, here's the menu. Come on. Look. So we have black corn shawarma. Parang shawarma, 268. Okay. Oh. Calzone? Oh my God. It's a calzone. Guys, look. It's calzone bites. Which means it's panty shorts or anything. In Bicol. Calzone bites.
What for?
Yes. So mahal. Chicken garden salad, 365. Which is okay. Kasi salad siya. Okay siya. This one is fish. 700 for this one. Look. Sotel. Dahil sobrang mamahal. Exit and run.
We're gonna pick
Mosa. We're just gonna order our dinner. Take out. Yes. Okay. Guys, so we're here at Komoda, and they already have gotten their drinks. Yeah. What's your review sa drinks?
Ay, wala kang taste.
What can you say? Refreshing. Very natural. Ano naman sa'yo?
Guys, this is cucumber. It tastes like
Cucumber. Okay. So, very natural lang, guys. And parang blended lang talaga na Yeah. Tapos
All
milky siya,
natural.
diba?
Yes.
Milky.
With no artificial flavoring.
So, how can you rate the drinks from 1 to 10?
10 being the highest. I will rate it at 8.
Yeah, 8.
How about you?
Because it's kind of like so pricey.
It's the price, not the taste.
But the taste is good.
Yes, it's good for the price maybe.
The price is
The price is for foreigner. Not for tabakenyo. Because in tobacco, we can make yes.
At just maybe mga
80
something.
80 pesos. Or if you'll do it yourself,
Yes, you will save
you will save a lot of money.
70%.
You'll just need watermelon and an ice. That's it.
For some milk.
But so far, nice.
Because of the aesthetic view.
Because of the
cherry. Maganda talaga ang
Cherry on top.
yes, cherry on top.
Kaway-kaway dyan.
At relaxing para sa nangitim sa Oceanica. Deserve naming magpalamig.
Yeah. Pa-refresh lang. Bago.
Good morning, guys. It's our day 3. And we're heading to the Mist for our free breakfast. Hi, Tel. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Okay. Ito yung mga no plancha hair.
No
Wala.
plancha damit.
No plancha damit. No ligo look. Good morning!
Hello.
Ito yung Mist. Katapat lang siya ng Holy Hotel. Dito kami mag-a-avail ng aming buffet breakfast. Buffet pala to. Ano lang. Bet na bet. Yeah. A buffet with the bra, you know. We're just twinning kami ni Manay, Stella.
In my heart, in my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game.
Here's our buffet breakfast. A lot of bread. Veggies for the salad.
Say what I do when
I don't know what's this.
that is.
This book. This is book. Also soups.
I have been thinking of you all this time.
So ito na lang yung pipili.
This felt deep in my heart, in my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, start playing this game.
Tama na. Malalasan yan. Okay. Guys, so for our buffet breakfast here at the Mist, we have this chicken omelette, bread, piniling hot dog, and chorizo, and then sinangag with shredded daing, danggit, I don't know. How about you, Tel? What's yours?
Halo-halo.
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 Okay, so this is our breakfast. Let's halo-halo. Ang lokdo, guys. Sobrang bigat. Mahina ang braso mo dito, hindi mo mabubuksan yung pagkain. But in fairness, masarap. Actually, we're just done with our breakfast here at the Mist. so far, so good.
Yeah. Masarap. 300 papunta.
Paano kung balikan na kuya? 600, okay.
Kasi parang
Oo, okay. Pero mabilis lang naman kami doon. Pwede magpahintay na kami. Okay. Sige, sige. Okay. Say hello to our vlog, kuya.
Mag-hello ka po, kuya.
Okay, so let's go, guys. Sa Hinagdanan
I
Cave.
didn't think it'd be this hard
We're here at
to go and try to let you down.
dito sa registration card ng Hinagdanan.
And the distance, but the path of least
There still is
I don't see you anymore.
kami nagbayad. May 100. Wala.
meron akong 100.
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Magkano?
180 lang. Okay, dahil.
Okay, sige na.
Ay, mura lang po 5,000.
Okay. So, the entrance here is only 50 pesos. Pero kung magsiswimming kayo, you are going to earn 25 pesos or 75 pesos. So, let's go, Tel.
Tatlo ma'am, dala ko sa po. So, first time sa kayo po.
First time po sa kayo.
Okay lang po ba mas mamang guide po sa yung office na pictures na yung
Pwede hindi na.
Yes po, pwede din po. Yung mga sunglasses na lang po patatanggal medyo madali.
Okay.
Dahan po, madulas po yung dadaanan.
I didn't think it'd be
Lagay
this
mo lang sa
hard
ano.
Tayo mo,
to go and try to let you down.
Thank you po.
At first, for sure, we saw forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And
What's
yes, I'm
inside
sure
this
about my
cave?
choices.
Marami bang paniki?
I don't need you to take me
Oh.
home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I
Cave na
got you
cave na ang
singing,
datingan.
ooh, I got the blue. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blue. And even though your heart is breaking, I got another man who loves to make me smile.
Okay, so we're going down the cave.
To make me smile. I know it hurts to hear me say it. So can you just get up and go? Oh, you say the best I've ever had.
Pero may additional
To go and try to let you down.
spaces.
At first, for sure, we saw forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And yes, I'm sure about my choices. I don't need you to take me home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blue. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blue.